Floor mats are an essential accessory for your vehicle. They are more than just dirt stoppers. When you buy a new car, you're going to want to spend some money on mats that will protect the investment you have made in your car. If you have been shopping for new mats on your own, or you're considering an option for your car, then you'll want to take time to consider these high quality mats. These are the 3D MAXpider floor mats, and they were sent to me by 3D Mats USA. Here I have the driver, passenger, rear seats, front trunk, and the 2 side compartments in the back. You can check them out by clicking the link in the description below, and they have hooked me up with a special discount code just for you. If you use the code TESLAMAT10 at checkout, you'll get $10 off your entire order. So be sure to check out their website and sit back and relax for this review. If you've spent any time researching for floor mats for your Tesla, you've certainly seen these 3D MAXpider mats pop up. Unlike traditional all-weather floor mats made of a rubbery opaque material, these 3D MAXpider floor mats feature a more unique and attractive design with top quality materials and an excellent fit and finish. They blend perfectly in with the rest of the interior. They have 3 layers, with the top layer being a thermoplastic rubber, the middle being an XPE foam layer, and the bottom being the patented anti-skid material. They call it MAXpider, and it will hold your floor mats in place with no chance of causing your pedals to stick and guarantee complete driving safety. If you look at the bottom layer closely, you can see all of these fibers or hairs sticking out, kind of like how a spider uses hairs on its legs to grip onto surfaces and climb things. It's kind of hard to convey the exact feel of the material on camera, but if I had to say what it's similar to, it's almost like a Velcro type of material from how it sticks to the floor when you place them in and how it looks when you lift it up. My favorite part about the bottom layer is the fact that it won't leave an imprint on your floor like how other mats do. If you take a look at the floor mats I have on my white Model Y from a different brand, they have left a bit of an imprint on the rear passenger area. I think it can go away if I take the mats out or maybe even vacuum it, but why have to worry about it when the 3D MAXpider mats won't do that to your floors? So let's get into the fitment of the mats in the car. Starting with the driver's side, it fits right in edge to edge. You can see how it doesn't move around when pushing on it, and once again it's the patented MAXpider layer that they have. It covers the dead pedal nicely, so no having to worry about if you'll get the high impact areas dirty. The minimalist style of these mats are one of my favorite parts. It completes the minimalism of the Model Y, and it does not disrupt the flow of the interior of the Model Y. The same goes for the passenger side, and now with both floor mats in, it just looks very good. I just really love how seamless these mats are and the way it all effortlessly connects and completes the interior of the Model Y. Moving on to the rear seats, with it all being one big piece, it's really easy to put in. It fits in very well. You won't have to worry about bringing in dirt, water, or anything like that because these floor mats will trap all of that in. Just one thing that I wish was a bit different about the rear mats was for these 2 sides to extend a bit further under the seats to cover more area. But nonetheless, it is still a fantastic floor mat. The front trunk mat has this imprint of the tow hook, and that's a nice attention to detail that they have added, and it helps the mat to sit in more flush in the frunk. The frunk mat also has their patented MAXpider fibers, but it doesn't have anything to stick on since the frunk is made out of a plastic material. The trunk is the next part, and it covers it edge to edge, and that's a big bonus. They've even thought about how the sub-trunk lifts up, so they've implemented this creasing part of the mat so you can easily open and close it without having to remove the cargo mat every time. Now you won't be able to access the second hidden compartment without removing or lifting up the cargo mat, but that's nothing to worry about since in my opinion most people don't really access this area too frequently. I think I've opened it up maybe a handful of times so far, and it wasn't even for groceries or shopping or anything like that. These mats are by far the best I have ever tested on any vehicle, and I'm not just saying that because 3D MAXpider sent me these. Truly the best all-around floor mats and cargo liners you can buy for not only your Tesla, but also for all of the other vehicles they offer. And last, but certainly not least, here are the 2 side trunk compartment liners. They are an exact fit and they'll help trap any dirt or liquids that may spill from you placing things in here. I know when I go grocery shopping, that's the next place I fill up right after the sub-trunk. It's good for holding things that you don't want sliding around, maybe water bottles, a watermelon, etc. The attention to detail 3D MAXpider has for even the smallest of areas is astonishing. I like the liners for the 2 side compartments because it's an area that's kind of hard to keep clean if you get it dirty. Now moving on to why I like them, comparing them against the OEM carpet mats that come with your Tesla. First and foremost is the perfect fit it has. The OEM carpet mats don't cover all of the high traffic areas where your feet go. Next is the no plastic/chemical smell. I've had floor mats in the past where they were made of some sort of rubber and low quality plastic, and it really bothered me. The 3D MAXpider mats are nothing like that. They had absolutely no smell when I opened the box, and they literally smell like nothing. The next thing I like about them is that they do not slide around and are kept in place, a plus for safety. If you like anything sleek and modern and minimalistic looking, then these mats check all of those boxes. They are also very easy to clean, just give them a rinse and let them dry out. You can also use an all-purpose cleaner or a pH neutral soap to get those hard to get out dirt stains and stuff like that. And most importantly, these mats are water repellent. You don't have to worry about water seeping into the floor of your Tesla. Also, for efficiency wise, they are very lightweight and not heavy like the rubbery floor mats you have probably seen, so that's a plus. I don't even think that they're more than 3 to 4, maybe even 4 to 5 pounds for all of the floor mats combined. Why I recommend them is because they are form-fitted to your specific vehicle make and model. Just visit their website and enter your vehicle's year, make, and model, and just go from there. The best part is that they are custom made and fitted for every vehicle and cover all of the essential nooks and crannies to help protect your interior. They also complete the sleek, modern, and stylish look of the Model Y, and even make it look more futuristic for how it is with the technology it has and the research and design that has gone into these mats. There are a few things to look out for when purchasing floor mats for your vehicle. The first being the material. Investing in a high quality car mat means checking the best material. For instance, you might want to buy a car mat that is easy to clean. The next is size and type. It's crucial to consider the size and type of car mat you will be purchasing to ensure you're getting the best benefits. You will not have to worry about purchasing an expensive car mat only to find it's not going to last very long. 3D MAXpider checks all of these boxes and more. There are countless floor mat brands out there for your Tesla, or for any vehicle for that matter. It can get a bit overwhelming to choose which one to get that will provide the best protection, be the highest quality, and look the best. And I have to say, the 3D MAXpider floor mats are all of these. What really won me over was not only the sheer utility it has, but also the way it looks, very sleek, and the lack of a plastic/rubbery smell. Not to mention how lightweight they are all around. These are certainly, without a doubt, better than the OEM carpet floor mats that come standard with your car. If you're looking to buy a mat for your vehicle, then it's essential that you get a top quality one to ensure that you buy the right one. 3D MAXpider floor mats provide protection from the road and give your car the protection it needs to remain in the best condition possible. They are great to have for all seasons and weather conditions and should be considered as part of your must-have car requirements. Once again, if you use the code TESLAMAT10 at checkout, you'll get $10 off your entire order. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. What are your thoughts on the 3D MAXpider floor mats? Comment them down below. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.